Folks, here is a 2/3 of a carat Canary green princess cut diamond. Weight on my diamond scale, 66 points. This is a big diamond, quality in the eye range. Pretty stone, shows up well, would look wonderful in a ring or a necklace. Big diamond. My price for this beauty, only make it a special price, $349 for 2/3 of a carat diamond. $349, folks. That's a steal of a deal. If you have any questions, give me a call. Feel free to email me. I'm Google verified, so you can buy with confidence, and I ship anywhere within the United States free of charge. Thank you all for your business and trust.